Read.
Add two different signed numbers, the absolute values of the numbers, and keep the sign of the numbers with the larger absolute value.
What do you think? Two different sign number. We add or subtract or change the absolute value. What do you think? Like if you add -3 plus 2, what we do? By the way, Mark, you are muted.
You subtract.
So we subtract the absolute value? Yes, correct. Subtract the absolute value. Correct. Next one, read.
When subtracting, change the subtraction to addition, the sign of the number being taken away.
Yes.
Is it change?
Yes, I think so. Change the sign of the number being taken away. When subtracting, change the subtraction to addition. Okay, that's correct. Next, read.
Which of the following would be a good estimate for -7.94 minus -2.31?
So estimate this is approximately negative what number? 7.94.
$10 should be a good estimate. 10, -10.
-10 is correct, yes, because this is -8 approximately, -2. -8 and -2 is -10. Correct. This one?
Evaluate. 6.314 minus 9.77.
Yes, this is +6 and -9. The result will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. So it is negative, not positive. So -16 or -3?
-16.
-16 if you have -6 and -10. This is -16. Yeah, and two negative numbers, you add them, correct? So do we have two negative numbers here?
Yeah.
The problem is what? Read the problem. It is 6.314 minus 9.77. This is positive number and negative number. So we add the numbers?
Because plus minus is minus.
No.
So wait, it's because okay.
Put the sign of the greater absolute value.
Okay.
Which one greater absolute value?
9. No, 6.
So we keep the sign of the 9, which is negative, and we subtract the numbers.
Okay.
Difference between absolute value of this and this. So 9.77 minus 6.314. This is equal to what? $9.77 to be able to subtract, we need to add 0 here. 0 minus 4 is
0 minus 4 is 0. You have to take the 7, carry it over 1. It's 6.
Yes, this would be zero. So we have 3 and 3. This is 6 and this is 4. Which one is correct?
That's 5. Wait. This one, the middle, the top, the middle one, second one, B.
Negative 3.456. We don't have to do everything. 16 is very wrong, not correct. So that's it. This one.
Evaluate negative 5.118.
Minus minus. What is minus minus?
Plus, it
So
means
negative
add.
5 plus 4. What is negative 5 plus 4?
Negative 5 plus 4 is, negative 5 plus 4 is 9.
No, 9 if we add 5 plus 4 or subtract or
Oh,
add negative 5 and negative 4. We can get 9. But we cannot get 9 from negative 5 and plus 4. No.
okay. So it would be negative, it would be 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1.
1 if you subtract 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Yes. But negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So where is the solution here?
It is the third one, C.
Negative 1. Yes, this one.
Find the value of x plus y for x equals 7.59 7.5 and y equals 2.65.
Yes. X plus y, and x is positive number and y is positive number. What is 75? This is approximately 70 what?
This is possibly 76.
76 plus 2.65. This is equal to what?
It is equal to, let me see, 2.5 plus 76 is 3. No, it is 78.55.
Yes, it is. 78. Correct. Read.
Find the value of minus negative x plus y.
No, don't say minus negative x. It is only one. You either say negative x or say minus x. Only once. If you say minus negative x, this means plus x, which is incorrect.
Okay.
So only say negative one time or minus one time. Read it again.
Find the value of minus x plus y.
That's it. Correct.
For x equals 759.9 and y equals 2.65.
Yes. How to do this?
You put 75.9, which is also 76, and equals
It is
70.
not 70. He needs negative x. We need negative.
All right.
So it is negative, correct?
Yeah.
Negative 75.9 plus y, which is plus 2.65, correct? How to do this? The result will be negative or positive?
The result would be negative.
Negative. And are you going to add or subtract numbers?
You're going to subtract.
Subtract.
No. Yeah.
What? Are you going to add or subtract?
Subtract.
Yes. So the positive is not correct. This is not correct. Now 75 or 76. Difference between this and 2.65. The result will be negative, and you said you subtract the difference between those two numbers. The difference is 78 or 73?
73.
Yes. So this is the answer. Correct? Positive number and negative number, we put the sign of the greater number and subtract the absolute value of the numbers. Read.
What is the best estimate for the following expressions? 6.79 minus.
What is minus means?
Add.
So this is plus 3.2. Yes.
So it'll be 6.79.
This is approximately what number?
Okay, so
This is approximately what number? What?
So 70. Wait. So it would be. It's 10. No, it's 9. It has to be. Wait. No, because 79 would stay the same. It'll be plus 2. So anyway, it'll be estimated to 10.
1 minute. One minute, please. 10. Yes, this is correct. Because this is approximately 7, and 7 plus 3, approximately 10. So positive number and positive number is positive. We add numbers. This one, read.
Which of the following expressions could be used to estimate the difference between negative 12.34 and negative 4.8?
Yes. Difference between negative 12.34 and negative 4.8. Difference. Difference means what?
Difference means subtraction.
Subtract. So this is minus. Minus means what?
Plus.
So negative 12.34 plus 4.8. Where is this?
There's nowhere. It have to estimate 4.8.
Yes.
So it's regular 12
This negative 12
and
plus.
negative 5.
No. Plus.
No, a plus.
Why plus? Because minus we said minus is equal to plus. Plus what?
Plus 4.
Estimate. This is
Oh,
estimate means
so
approximately this is what number?
5.
So where is this?
That is right there. Number C.
Negative 12 plus 5. This one?
Jimmy had to spend 4.52. Jimmy had 4.52 to spend. He found something he wanted to buy for $6 to 621. How much would he need to borrow from his friend to make his purchase?
Yes.
It would be I don't know.
He has this and want to buy this.
Yeah.
So he needs what?
You
He
need
needs,
$1.69.
so we subtract this minus this. It is 6.21 minus 4.52. It is something less than 2, so it is not 2 because 21 is less than 52. It is not 10. It is not 1. What did you say the answer?
1.69.
Yes, this is correct. Read.
A cab driver drove west 2.4 miles. He then drove 6.83 miles east. How far in which direction did he end up from his starting point? Use negative to indicate west and use positive to indicate east.
Hmm. Hmm.
He drove
So
4.
west, always west is negative, and then drove east. We do east with positive sign.
Mhm.
How far and in which direction did he end up from his starting? This is a starting. What do you think?
So he drove plus 443.
Plus 443?
Yeah.
Yes, it is correct. How did you do this?
Well, because if he drove 2.4 miles west,
Mm-hmm.
and then he had to turn around and then drive back 6.83 miles, it
Yes,
couldn't be 9 because 9 is adding,
yes,
and it couldn't be negative. It couldn't be
yes,
negative because that's
yes,
going the other way.
yes, correct.
So if it's going forward, it would be east, and it's 4
Yes,
points.
correct. Excellent. This one?
No one did the following work to solve the problem. Negative 14 plus
No, this
negative
problem.
14,
Did this
52.
problem he did 14.52 minus 7.3, it is 7.22. So he did it positive 7.22. Is this correct? Which of the
Uh,
statement is true about his work? And answer.
hmm. His answer is incorrect because he didn't line up his decimal. He didn't line up the decimals.
Did he added the numbers?
No,
He didn't add because 14 plus 7 is 21. He didn't add. So number two, his answer is correct.
Mm-mm.
Is his answer correct?
No,
No. This one, his answer is incorrect because the answer should be negative. Is this correct?
no.
Why? This is negative 14.52. This is the
Oh yeah,
question. Plus 7. So the answer should be positive or negative. Negative 14 plus 7. What is negative 14 plus 7? The sign should be what?
negative 14. The sign should be
Negative
negative.
or positive?
Negative.
Why? Because negative is the absolute value number of 14 is greater than absolute value
Yeah.
of 7. So the sign will be the same sign as the larger absolute value, which is negative. So his answer is incorrect because the answer should be negative, yes. And this he did this positive, so this is not correct. Correct?
Mm.
His answer is incorrect because he didn't line up. No, he didn't line up. This is so. This is the answer. Read this.
Oh, and adding, I think it's finished.
Ah, okay. Read.
The reciprocal is also the multiplication identity.
Multiplicative identity means multiplicative identity is if you multiply 5 times 1, you get 5. If you multiply 6 times 1, you get 6. This is the multiplicative identity. If you multiply by 1, you get the same number. X times 1 is just X. This is multiplicative identity. Reciprocal is something different. Reciprocal means if you multiply a number 1/2 times its reciprocal, which is 2/1, you get 1. The result will be 1. This is multiplicative inverse. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Like if you
Yeah.
multiply -1/2 multiplied by -2/1, this is equal to +1. So multiplicative inverse is sometimes we call it reciprocal. Reciprocal because we flip the number. If this is 3/2, the reciprocal is 2/3. Okay?
Okay.
If you multiply those two numbers, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided 6 is 1. Or you can just simplify. Simplify. Divide 3 equals 1, divide 3 equals 1, divide 2 equals 1, divide 2 equals 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Divided 1 times 1 is 1. 1 divided 1 is 1. You understand?
Yeah.
This one. Read.
The value of -a over 15 multiplied
Mm,
by 20 over 64 is.
mm.
You could do cross multiplication. No.
Yes, but we have negative sign. -8 over 15 multiplied by 20 over 64. The result will be positive or negative?
The result would be negative.
Negative. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Now you can simplify. Can you simplify 8 and 64?
Yeah. And 64.
Divided by 8 divided by 8 equals what? 8
8.
divided 8 is
8 divided by 8 is uh, 8 divided
1.
by 8 is 1.
And 64 divided 8
Is 64 divided by 8 is 8.
and 20 and 8, can we divide it by 4? 20 and 8
20 and 8 could be divided by 4.
divided by 4. 20 divided 4 is
It is 20 divided by 4.
yes.
It is 6. No. Yeah.
20 divided 4 is
20 divided by 4 is
you can
6.
what?
No.
You
It's
can
5.
simplify. 20 divided 4 is 5 and 8 divided 4 is
8 divided by 4 is 2.
now can you simplify 15 and 5? Divided 5
3.
divide 5
3.
divide 5 equals 1 divide 5 equals 3. So the number is 1 multiply 1 and 3 times 2. 1 multiply 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is
6.
6. So this is negative 1 over 6. Okay?
Okay.
The answer is negative 1 over 6, which is here. This one. Negative 2 over 3 divided by 4 over 6. The result will be positive or negative?
It would be positive.
No.
Negative.
Negative divided
That's
positive is
negative.
negative.
Yeah.
So this is not correct. This is not correct. Now, if you divide, we use rule keep, change, flip. Do you know this?
No.
In division of fractions, we use keep the first fraction as it is, change division to be multiplication,
So
and
flip it.
flip this last fraction, which is 6 over 4.
Okay, I know how to do this. It's 12 and then 12. It's 1. It's negative 1.
Okay, 12 divided by 12 is 1, so it is negative 1, correct. Negative 1, okay. I like to simplify before multiply. So this is, you can simplify 2 and 4, divide 2 equals 1, divide 2 equals 2. Simplify 2 and 6, divide 2 equals 1, divide 2 equals 3. Simplify 3 and 3, divide 3 equals 1, divide 3 equals 1. So it is 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. Read this. Negative 8 divided by negative 1 half. So what is negative divided negative? The result will be what sign?
Negative.
Which sign? Negative divided negative? No.
A positive. Positive.
Negative divided negative is positive.
Mm-hmm.
So this is not correct. This is not correct. Now, we'll use keep, change, flip again. So what we write?
You keep E and you flip
Mhm.
2 and 1.
Flip, change division to multiplication.
Yeah.
So this is just 8 multiplied 2 because 2 over 1 is just 2. What is 8 multiplied 2?
16.
Yes. This one. Negative 3 over 7 divided by negative 1 and 1 over 14. How to do this? What is negative divided negative? Negative number divided negative number is?
Negative number
The result will
is
be what
positive.
sign? Positive. Correct.
More positive.
So this is
Plus.
not correct.
That's
And to be able to divide, we need to make this improper fraction. So
mm-hmm.
14 times 1 plus 1.
So you just flip. So you flip.
No, not flip now. Don't flip.
Oh.
Before flipping, we need to make this improper fraction to be able to multiply or divide.
Oh, okay, so
14
you
times 1 plus 1 is what number?
14, 15.
15 over 14. Now you can do keep, change, flip. So I write what?
And now it's 3, 7,
3 over 7, multiply.
multiplied by 14, 15.
Yes.
And that is, what's it
Can
called?
we simplify first before multiply?
Yeah.
What?
It's 3 and is 1.
Huh?
4 is 7. It's 1.
14 and 7. We divide by 7, divide by 7.
Yeah,
7
it's
divided 7 is,
1,
and 14 divided 7 is,
2,
and 3 and 15.
5.
Divided 3, divided 3 equals 1 equals 5. So 1 multiplied 2 is,
1 multiplied 2 is 2.
and 1 multiplied 5.
5.
So the final answer is
Positive 5.
2 over 5.
Positive.
2 over
3.
5.
3.
2 over 5. This one.
Find 4.
This is multiplication. This dot means multiplication. We cannot multiply. We have to make this improper fraction and this improper fraction. So how to do this? Improper fraction. How to do this?
I got it. So
4
you
1 over 5.
multiply. You
Yes.
multiply 5 and 4.
Yes.
You get 20.
Yes.
Plus 1.
Yes.
21.
Yes. So it is 21 over 5.
21 over 5. And then the other one is 21 plus 2.
No. 21 plus 2. Yes.
21 plus 2 is 23.
Over
3.
Now we can multiply, but we can, before multiplying, we can simplify. Can we simplify something here?
Yeah.
What?
21 and 3.
Yes. Divided 3 equals 1, divided 3 equals 7. Now we can multiply. 7 times 23.
7 times 23.
7 times 3 is 21.
1,
And
2.
7 times 2 is 14 plus 2 is 16. So 161 divided by 5 times 1, 5. We need to divide 161 divided by 5. 16 divided 5 is
3. And then 1 remain and 2 remainder. So it'll be 32.
2, 10. The remainder is 1. So it is 32 and the remainder is 1.
5.
1 over 5. And we said the answer is positive, 32, 1 over 5. This one.
How much is 2 7ths out? How 2 7ths?
Off means what in math?
1, 3.
Means addition or subtraction or division or multiplication.
Division?
No. Off means multiplication. Multiplying. Okay. So 2 over 7 multiply by 1, 3 over 4. Can we multiply now or what we need to do now?
You keep change flip?
Before no, keep change flip and division. This is multiplication. We cannot multiply now. We have to make the mixed fraction here improper fraction first.
Okay. So 4, 1, 4, 3. So it's 7 over 4. 7 over 4. And 2.
Yes, 7 over 4. Now, before multiplication, we can simplify. Can you simplify something here? What?
You can simplify 7 and 7.
Yes, divide 7 equals 1, divide 7 equals 1. And 2 and 4?
Is 2 and 1.
Divided 2 equals 1, divide 2 equals 2. So the number is the result?
Is 1 multiply 1. No, is what? Yeah. 1 and
1 times
2.
1 is 1,
1
and
over
1
2.
times 1 over
half.
2. 1 half. So the result is 1 half. Which one? Negative
Estimate
12, 4 over 5, 9, multiplied by 5, 7 over 8. So the result will be negative or positive. This is negative 12 multiplied positive 5.
So it's a
The result will be
multiply
negative or positive?
positive. No, negative.
Negative. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Now, this is 12 times, approximate this to what?
It's multiplied.
Estimate this to what number? Yes. Like
And,
round this number, this will be what?
this number is 40 plus 47?
6.
6.
5, 7 over 8, approximately 6. And this number is 12 and approximately half. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So 12 times 6 is what number? And 12.5 times 6 is what number? We need to estimate. 12 times 6 is
12 times 6 is 76, 72.
72. So this is not our answer because the number is 12 and 4 over 9. So it is something greater than 72. 12.5 multiplied 6
So
is not
78.
78. It cannot be 72. And it is negative because negative times positive is negative, correct? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Something incorrect here. Negative times positive is negative. And
It's
estimate.
probably positive. Is it positive 78?
Why is this? This is negative number, correct?
Yeah.
Positive times positive is negative. This should be negative. طب let's do it. يعني 12. 4 over 9 we multiply 9 times 4. 9 times 12 is 108. 112 divided by 9 multiplied by 5. 7 over
Mm-hmm.
8. This is 47. So it is 47 over 8. 8 and this is divided 4. Divided 4. Divide 4 equals 2. Divide 4 equals 2 and 8. Divided 2 equals 1. Divided 2 equals 14. So it is 14 multiplied by 47 divided by 9.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very big number. Mm. How can this be negative, incorrect? But mm,
Is it?
is this negative and negative, or this is negative times positive, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Let's choose negative 72. Correct. Okay, this one.
Which
5, 3 over
expression below?
4
Yeah.
divided by, yes, read.
This expression below best shows how to estimate. Yeah.
Mm.
From 5. Okay, so it would be
So round this to the nearest number. This will be what number?
6. And the other
Yes.
one would be 4.
No, this is less
No.
than 1/2. 3 over 4 is less than 1/2.
So it would be 3 still.
Yes.
Negative 3. So it would be the second one.
Yes. Read this. Mm-hmm.
Mark and John were sharing the $10 cost to cost to rent some video games with another friend. Mark paid $3. John paid 2/5 of the total, and their friendship paid the rest. Who paid? Who paid towards the rental? Mark. Well, no, it'll be the friend, because if John they paid half, who paid more. It's the friend, because
so Mark paid 3, correct?
yeah, and the friend
And
and John
John paid what? 2 over 5 of the total, which is 2 over
2/5.
5 multiplied 10, correct?
Mm-hmm.
What is 2 over 5 multiplied by 10?
2/5 multiplied by 10 is
Simplify 5 and 10.
5 and 10. It's
Divided
50.
5 equals.
Oh, it's 2. 2
So
and 5.
this, so 2 times 2 is.
2 times 2 is 4.
So John paid 4. What is the rest?
And it's 3.
So who paid the most?
John.
John. Okay.
Okay.
So we mark lesson as complete. Open this.
Mm-hmm.
Go to questions.
Yeah.
Read.
When multiplying or dividing two numbers of the same signs, you will get the answer is positive.
Yes. Two same sign numbers. We divide them like if you divide, let's say, 8 divided by 4, the result will be positive 2. And if you divide same sign number, negative 8 divided negative 4, negative divided negative is positive and positive 2. So if you're dividing or multiplying same sign number, like if you multiply 4 times 8, the result will be positive 32. If you multiply negative 4 times negative 8, negative times negative is positive 32. So if you're multiplying or dividing same sign numbers, the result will be positive. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. This one?
When multiplying or dividing two numbers with opposite signs, they would be negative.
Yes, correct.
Find the exact value. -3, 1.2 to the power of 2.
Yes.
It is 3,
So you do
1.
1.2 first. 1.2 squared is equal to what number? 1.2 multiply 1.2.
1.2 multiplied 1.2
Mm-hmm.
is
Like you're
okay.
multiplying 12 times 12. What is 12 times 12?
12 times 12 is 144.
144. And you have point and point. And you multiply, we add decimal places. 1 decimal place plus 1 decimal place. The result will be 2 decimal places.
Mm-hmm.
So the number will be 1.44. Now we need to multiply -3 multiplied by 1.44. 1.44 times 3. But it is negative, so the result will be negative. How to multiply this?
Yeah. So it would be
3 times
12,
4.
12,
Yes.
1, 3, 12, 13,
Mm-hmm.
and then 4.
And the point?
So point right in the, yeah, right there.
4.32. So we have negative 3.44. What?
Mm-hmm.
Negative
Yeah.
4.32.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Find negative xy for x is negative 75.9. Y, so it's
XY
so
means
it's
what? We add or multiply or divide or?
you add you
No.
multiply you
Huh?
you divide.
Divide, if this is divide. X plus Y is addition. Correct? X
Okay.
minus Y is subtraction. So XY is? Huh?
Is addition.
No. Addition is X plus Y.
Oh, okay. All right.
So XY is what number? XY is what?
XY is 7.5
You
and
multiply. This is multiplication. So multiply these two numbers. 1 minute. So if we have XY, we need to do what?
multiply.
Multiply. But we have negative sign here. Do you see this negative?
Yeah.
So the result will be what? Negative. X is negative already. 75 multiply by 2.6. So now we need to multiply negative times negative. What is negative times negative?
Negative times negative is positive.
The result will be positive, and we need to multiply those two numbers. 75.9 multiply 2.6. Do you have a calculator?
No, a calculator. I could put a calculator on my computer.
So the result will be positive 197.34.
One
197.34. This one?
the value of expressions negative 2xy for x equals 4.7.
Negative. This is negative.
Negative 4.7. Y equals 0.2.
How to do this?
You
Negative 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. This
yeah.
is what?
2 multiplied by x multiplied
Negative
by
2.
y. Negative 2. So,
Negative 2 multiplied by x is negative 4.7 already. Multiply 0.2. Negative times negative is what?
negative times negative is positive.
So this is not correct. This is not correct.
So it's 1 point, no. It's uh it's 18.8.
2 times 4 is?
6.
No,
Oh, 2 times 4 is 8.
8. So this is 8 and 2 times. Yani this is 9.4 because 0.7 times 2 is 1.4 times 0.2. 0.2 is like 2 out of 10 of this number, which is yani less than 9. We don't multiply by 2. This is 0.2. Okay?
Okay.
Yani you multiply by 2 and then divide it by 10. This is the meaning of 0.2. Like if you multiply this by 2, you get 18.8, but you need to divide by 10. So 18.8 is not correct because you will divide, after this, you divide by 10. The result will be 1.88.
1.88.
Positive. Why positive? Because negative multiply negative is positive. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we stop here?
Yeah.
And we can continue next session.
Okay.